Welcome back to our schools. In this video, you'll be learning how to blend with the pencil. The tools you will need is the 4H, 2H, F, B, 2B, and 4B. The 10H is optional. And the Tombow Zero eraser is also optional. You need the perfectionist eraser, the kneaded eraser, and an eraser for this exercise. First, you start off by adding a layer with the 4H. Then you add another layer with the 2H. And after that, you start off with the softest pencil you have, which would be the 4B. The reason why I say this is because it's always hard over soft. Then you slowly work your way up to the 2B, starting from the darkest point of the ball. After you're done blending with the F pencil, you want to switch to the 2H pencil. Now you blend the tones with the 2H pencil as best as you can, and with the 4H pencil. And after that, you want to define the ball, shape of the ball. Use the kneaded eraser to bring out the highlights. And you want to do the same thing with the shadow. Start with the lightest, should be the 4H. And remember, hard over soft, which would be the 4B, 2B, then the B, and so on and so on.